Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Check your phone's data allowance and network signal because streaming uses significant data. Once done, open Settings and enable Mobile Hotspot or Wi-Fi tethering. Create an easy-to-recognize SSID and a strong password so the TV can connect securely. Make sure to note whether the hotspot is broadcasting on 4 GHz or 5 GHz and the maximum number of simultaneous connections. This matters because some smart TVs only see 4 GHz networks. You now move to the Smart TV. Navigate to Network or Wi-Fi settings, choose Wireless and start the scan. The TV will list available SSIDs. Once you see your phone's hotspot name, select it and type the password exactly. Use the remote's on-screen keyboard or a paired phone keyboard to reduce errors. If the TV cannot find the hotspot because of a 5 GHz/4 GHz mismatch, switch the phone's hotspot band or temporarily change the phone's hotspot settings. So you finish by verifying the connection. Launch a streaming app or run the TV's network diagnostic to confirm internet access. Expect an IP address and internet status. If the TV connects but there's no internet, restart both the phone and TV, then reconnect and carefully re-enter the hotspot password. If streaming buffers or drops, reduce the number of devices on the hotspot, check cellular signal strength, or switch bands. These steps solve most problems without complex settings changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.